I wait for the bus.
I get on the bus.
I get on the bus.
I pay for my bus ticket.
I pay for my bus ticket.
I find an empty seat.
I find an empty seat.
I look out the window.
I look out the window.
I get off the bus.
I get off the bus.
I take a shopping cart.
I take a shopping cart.
I buy fresh apples.
I buy fresh apples.
I buy a loaf of bread.
I buy a loaf of bread.
I buy a bottle of milk.
I buy a bottle of milk.
I buy a dozen eggs.
I buy a dozen eggs.
I buy fresh vegetables.
I buy fresh vegetables.
I go to the cashier.
I go to the cashier.
I pay with my card.
I pay with my card.
I take my receipt.
I take my receipt.
I pack the groceries in bags.
I pack the groceries in bags.
I carry the bags home.
I carry the bags home.
I unlock my front door.
I unlock my front door.
I put the groceries in the kitchen.
I put the groceries in the kitchen.
I put the milk in the fridge.
I put the milk in the fridge.
I wash the apples in the sink.
I wash the apples in the sink.
I sit on the couch.
I sit on the couch.
I turn on the television.
I turn on the television.
I watch an interesting movie.
I watch an interesting movie.
I eat a fresh apple.
I eat a fresh apple.
I drink a glass of water.
I drink a glass of water.
I feel hungry for lunch.
I feel hungry for lunch.
I go back to the kitchen.
I go back to the kitchen.
I decide what to cook.
I decide what to cook.
I wash the vegetables in water.
I wash the vegetables in water.
I cut the vegetables with a knife.
I cut the vegetables with a knife.
I heat oil in the pan.
I heat oil in the pan.
I cook the vegetables in the pan.
I cook the vegetables in the pan.
I add salt to the food.
I add salt to the food.
I taste the cooked food.
I taste the cooked food.
I turn off the stove.
I turn off the stove.
I put the food on a plate.
I put the food on a plate.
I sit at the dining table.
I sit at the dining table.
I eat my homemade lunch.
I eat my homemade lunch.
I clean my dirty plate.
I clean my dirty plate.
I wash the cooking pan.
I wash the cooking pan.
I dry all the dishes.
I dry all the dishes.
I feel tired after eating.
I feel tired after eating.
I sit in my favorite chair.
I sit in my favorite chair.
I read an interesting book.
I read an interesting book.
I turn the book pages.
I turn the book pages.
I enjoy the exciting story.
I enjoy the exciting story.
I put the book down.
I put the book down.
I take a short afternoon nap.
I take a short afternoon nap.
I close my tired eyes.
I close my tired eyes.
I rest quietly for 30 minutes.
I rest quietly for 30 minutes.
I wake up from my nap.
I wake up from my nap.
I feel much more refreshed.
I feel much more refreshed.